Okay, now that we know how to create slides using layout and change the font style size of multiple slides at once using Slide Master, let us try adding transitions and animations to these objects and slides that we've added. Transitions. See, transitions is one of the tabs here on the top. Is transitions. Transitions is nothing but, if you see, basically when you switch between slides, when you're doing a full screen slideshow, and when you switch between slides, the effect or the transition is very plain and boring. Correct? Say, oh, you want to add a visually appealing, sometimes visually appealing effect. This is how you do it. You select a particular slide, you select the transition that you want. See, you have a list of transitions here, and you can select whichever transition that works for you the best. Say the cube is a transition that I added to slide number 1, and say slide number 2 I want to add a transition called honeycomb, and slide number 3 I want to add a transition called say flash. Watch what happens. Now when I put this to full screen, yeah, when I put this to full screen, see, look at the transition. It's not boring anymore. See, like generally when you put it to full screen, the main first slide just pops up. Yeah. So look at the transition. So the transition that I've added. See, when I switch between slides, see, that's the honeycomb transition, and here this is the flash transition that I've added. See, it's not necessary that we add transitions all the time. It depends. It depends on the kind of presentation you're doing. So transitions, they just make the whole presentation visually appealing sometimes.